Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel where we break down complex financial concepts into easy to understand stories sometimes. And today we're diving into the world of index funds, which are one of the best ways for beginners to start investing. Definitely stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started with index funds and why they might be the perfect fit for your investment strategy. Sean here with Gym Class Finance. It's been a long time, but wanted to just come back, and I thought this would be a good idea, kind of break back into index funds because it's something I believe in, something that I think should be part of everyone's portfolio because it's easy, it's diverse, and it's for anyone. So let me tell you a story about two friends. First, you have Jack, and then you have Emma. They both wanted to start investing, but didn't know where to begin. They felt very overwhelmed by all the options out there: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and much, much more. Does that sound familiar to you? Do you think about all the different investments and sort of get, just kind of lost? Well, Jack decided to dive into individual stocks. He spent hours researching companies, trying to predict which ones would perform best. Some days his portfolio was up, but other days it was down. It was quite a roller coaster ride that left him feeling stressed and very uncertain. Now, Emma, on the other hand, discovered index funds, as index funds is like a big basket that holds a little piece of many different stocks. Instead of trying to pick individual winners, she invested in the entire market. This way, her investment grew steadily over time without the daily stress. Let's break it down. An index fund is a type of mutual fund or ETF that aims to replicate the performance of a specific index, like the S&P 500. The S&P 500, for example, includes 500 of the largest companies in the United States. By investing in an S&P 500 index fund, you're essentially buying a tiny slice of each of these 500 companies. This diversification reduces risk because you're not putting in all your eggs in one basket. So why are index funds so great for beginners? There are three main reasons. First is diversification. Like I mentioned, you're investing in a broad range of companies, which is going to spread out your risk. Number two are the low costs. Index funds typically have lower fees compared to actively managed fees because they simply track an index rather than requiring a team of analysts and managers. And then third is simplicity. With index funds, you don't need to be a stock picking genius. You just invest and let the market do the work for you. All right, now let's get practical with things. How can you start investing in index funds today? Step one, choose a brokerage. First, you'll need to open an account with a brokerage. Some popular options include Vanguard, Fidelity, Charles Schwab. The list goes on. These platforms make it easy to buy and sell index funds. Step two, select your index fund. Next, decide which index fund to invest in. A good starting point is the S&P 500 index fund. For example, Vanguard's VOO, Fidelity's FXAIX, and Schwab's SWPPX are all excellent choices. Step three, set up automatic contributions. Finally, set up an automatic contribution, decide how much you want to invest each month, and set up automatic transfers from your bank account. This way, you're consistently investing and taking advantage of dollar cost averaging. All right, back to our example. Let's say Emma decided to invest $200 every month into an S&P 500 index fund. Over 30 years, assuming an average annual return of about 7%, which is a historical average, Emma's investment would grow significantly. Starting with just $200 a month, she could potentially end up with over $200,000. So whether you're just starting out like Jack and Emma or looking for a stress-free way to grow your wealth, index funds might be the perfect solution for you. They are going to offer you diversification, they're going to offer low costs and simplicity, everything a beginner investor needs. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more investing tips, and if you have any questions on topics you'd like us to cover, please drop us a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, happy investing, and I will see you in the next video.